Hello guys, this is Emily from Zviri Mudzimba drama aka Bimbai Manyati. I'm here to wish you a happy new year. What else can I wish you? Because Christmas like so I cannot say belated Merry Christmas. Anyways, I'm just here to wish you a happy new year. Gorera kutanga my January disease, please hopefully makachengeta mari dzevana vechikoro. Hamuna kubraya mari dzese dzikapera. Guys, nima holidays I just hope you stay safe. Maroads mufamba zvakanaka. Drive safely. Musamwe muchidhakwa muchifamba muchidhakwa muchidriver mune vana mumota munofa. So we just want to thank you also for all the support you've been showing us, for all the love you've been showering us with. We cannot thank you enough. You're the people and not push us, so yeah, well, thank you. You're the best people I've ever heard. Yeah, we're just thanking them in advance. Much love to you all. I'm short of words. I can't thank you enough. I'm just wishing you a happy new year. What else? What else? I think that's all. You guys just have... just try to create lots of memories with your families. That's the purpose for this holiday. Nekutenda wamwari kuti mapinda mugoredzva ndakadai chipoka inyasha vamwe vakafa vakawanda, so it's something you should all be grateful for to Lord that takwanisa kupinda tese mu new year. So yeah, something that we should be thankful for. I think that's all I just wanted to say. Thank you. This is where you say cut, isn't it? Isn't it? At all. This is where you say cut. I cut kanadia. Name yet. Name take cut. When I actually go take cut. Ane vechita cut kan akaenda kupusa tatosha ane guys ore achide kuti akatu nai takupusa nemukuzwana nakutoplan. My cheeks is started to turn red. One more thing ndakangana anti don't drink and drive. Ndakuze don't drink and drive andisi. Okay. Okay, so it's okay. Musazongokangana kuti kumwa chete but musinga drive but muchimwanyi but musinga drive. Yeah. Chitakati kana iyo ndakushaya kuti anoda kupusa. Naimi. Naimi yacha ndichindatara naveri vanhu naveri munoramba muchingondiposa ndataura navo nei ndakukumbirawo kuti nai ndikukumbirawo kuti ndingowisha vanhu a happy new year kawanda chingoda 5 minutes or less munhu achide kuita kasi ndakushaya ndoti chii nenyati vaiwa